How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your settings on your device. On the settings section, scroll down. Select apps. Tap app management at top of the screen. When every item gets loaded here, use the search bar to search WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, you will get access to the app info section of WhatsApp. Tap manage notifications at top of the screen. Make sure to toggle the button on for allow notifications. Scroll down and make sure to go to the chat section where you will see message or the group notifications. Select any one of those and then you have to select ringtone option. Here you need to select on this device at top of the screen under custom. And from here you can choose between music or recordings. And once you have done that, you can easily come back and then only the first 5 seconds of a custom tone will be played during the message notification. That is how we set custom ringtone on WhatsApp, either on your message notification or the group notifications. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.